Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to add any website in Google reading list. So guys, to bookmark and to save any site in your Google reading list. So firstly, visit any site. Like I want to add this particular site in Google reading list. So guys, just update your Chrome browser. If you not see this icon, then click on it. Now here guys, you will see option. You will find your reading list here. To add a page to read later, click the button. So add current tab. So now close this page and reopen this page. And to hide this panel, again click on this reading list icon. So this is the way guys you can add a website in Google reading list. And guys, you open some pages and you want to all pages add in Google reading list. So again click here and click on add current tab. Visit that page and click here add current tab. So this is the way guys you can add sites in Google reading list and you want to remove. So over cursor there, then click on this cross icon. That's it. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. And in this way we can know how to add sites into Google reading list. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.